On a clear, breezy spring day in early April, I found myself at Rye Harbour on the Sussex coast. I was here to start putting things into storage, but with the sun shining and the tide low, it felt like the perfect chance for a walk along the nature reserve. Armed only with my mobile, I set out to capture a few moments. Video clips, photos, and a little fresh air. The reserve was alive with people making the most of the weather. Families, walkers, photographers, all drawn by the wide open sky, the shimmering pools, and the endless shingle and sand. One of the most striking sights along the walk is the Mary Stanford Lifeboat House, a memorial to bravery and tragedy, standing silent against the sea, with the distant rise of the High Weald on the horizon. As the tide retreats here, it reveals hidden islands of sand, surrounded by deep pools. They look inviting, but they can trap the unwary if you wander too far. It's a place full of contrasts, ancient jetties crumbling into the surf, vast skies stretching into the distance, peace layered with the soft sound of the breeze. From here, the paths lead on, west to Winchelsea and Camber Castle, east to Camber Sands, and eventually Dungeness. But today, it was enough just to be here, walking, filming, and soaking up the first real taste of spring. Thanks for watching. More walks coming soon. Please like and subscribe.